I'm Kashyap. Namaste. I had a fall in bicycle on Wednesday near Kaban Park, and I called my wife that I need some help. So she came. In her mind, that came was Apollo Hospital, which is also closer to our residence. We came here. We were first checked for any of the current pandemic that is there of COVID symptoms, and after the checking of that, the detailed admission process was very smooth. So I had bruises and fracture on my shoulder. So immediately all the supporting staffs of X-ray department and other departments took care of me by doing quick checks and whatever is required. Kiran suggested that I need to undergo the operation for the fix, and that was kind of, for me, it was kind of shock because I never felt ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮೇ ಎ ಬಿ ಹೋ ಸಕ್ತಾ ಹೈ ಇದು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. Surgeon who did my operation, Dr. Kiran, and also the physiotherapist, and especially the nursing staff, I would say hats off. I cannot fold my hand. I would say hats off to them. I would like to mention special mention for two nursing staffs. One is Megha, and other one is some Joseph. I don't remember her first name. And not to forget, special appreciation to the food department who gave food on time, and it was absolutely tasty food, like a home food. No issues on the food. And obviously the housekeeping staff kept the entire premises clean and neat without any issues. So I definitely feel in this particular pandemic time, whoever is coming, be it any visitor who wants to come, only one visitor allowed. So they check every person before entering to the hospital. They will put a validity sticker on the person. As I told, I had a fall on Wednesday, and today we are on Saturday. I am getting discharged today, and especially when it comes to Dr. Kiran, surgeon, he's given his personal number and he's WhatsApped. He said I'll have to share my image of the operation thing to share on a WhatsApp to him every 2 days once, and I will have to visit him after 10 days. And the kind of confidence he is built within me, I'm sure I will do my best and I will recover faster. Thank you so much once again from me for each one of you, and all the best.